Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Zuhaib and this is the third video of our Angular series. In this video I will discuss all about Angular components and how Angular components work. First of all, what's Angular components? Angular components declare that what will be shown on the page. Here is a simple message, hello Angular. This app component have a message variable and this variable will printing here, okay? The app component declare that what will be shown on our page. Here is a simple example. This is HTML page layout and this layout have three parts: header, sidebar, and one is main page, like this website. This is a header component. Header component have a different behavior from other page and it's contain different HTML tags like blogs, blue service, etc. And this is the main page. It show the main post here, and this is the sidebar. In this series we work all of these components and we combine these all components and made a website like this. Okay, this is our app.component.ts file, and remember every Angular components contain three things. First is class, second is decorator, and third is template. Okay, class is here, decorator is here, and template is here. I will raise all of this code and I will show this code from scratch. Okay, first is class. Let's declare a class, and here is a class name is app component. Okay, this is our app component class. Second is decorator. Let's decorate this app component with a decorator. This decorator provide us Angular, and let's import this from Angular core, and this decorator name is component. Okay, for calling a decorator, simply enter 8 and a decorator name. This is our decorator. Okay, we define class and decorator. Third thing is template. Template contain all HTML structure. We define template in decorator parenthesis. Okay, here is HTML code, and this HTML code have a specific name which called a selector. Okay, this selector is the name of this template, and here we specify a name for this template. I will use approved, and here is our some HTML code here, hello world, and close the tags. Okay, our first component is created, but we cannot use this component because our app component class is not declared in our app module. Okay, here is our app module. This app module is initial point of our app, our project. Therefore we declare our every component here. Okay, we importing this app component here, but in TypeScript when we importing a class, it's must to export first. Let's export this class from here, and now open the app module. The error is gone. Okay, let's declare this app component here, app component, and bootstrap our app component from here. Okay, in app module we declare our app component and bootstrap our app component. I think so our app component is ready. Let's open terminal, and it's compiled successfully. Okay, jump on our browser. Hello world is here. Okay, let's make a tiny change in this. Only hello is remain. Okay, let's create a variable on this app component class and interpolate this variable on here. Okay, I declare this variable with name of message, and here is hello Angular, and this message is interpolate here. Simply open the curly braces and close the curly braces and write your variable and made on it. Okay, save our file. It's compiled successfully. Let's open our browser and show this is our message, hello Angular. Okay, if we want to write multi-line of HTML code in this template, simply replace double quotes with a big tick. Okay, now we can use multiple line of HTML codes here. Okay, simply I declare another variable title is this is my title. Okay, and this variable I want to interpolate here title. Okay, let's see on browser. This is my title. Okay, if you want to create a separate file for these HTML tags, simply create a new HTML file. I will create a app.component.html file and cut these tags from here and paste in HTML file and replace this template with template URL and specify your HTML path here. In my case, this HTML file in same folder, therefore I will use this path. Save your file and open your browser. Here it's work same to same like before. I made some copy of this title variable in this file like this and save the file and look on browser. Okay, title is printing many times and this HTML come from a separate HTML file. Okay, please subscribe and share. In next video I will discuss about what's decorator and how many decorator types and how decorator works. Okay, bye.